Okay, hi everyone, welcome to Floetrol by Christine. So I am going to have to post what size canvas this is. You're going to see it right now. I think it's a 20 by 24, but I can't find my measuring tape. I don't know where it went. Anyway, so I'm going to do another high flow painting, and I'm going to be using metallics again. I'm going to be using a black for the negative space, and so the colors, I'm using the red Flow Acrylic from Artist Loft, the gold Flow Acrylic from Artist Loft, and the black is Flow Acrylic also. Okay, and the other colors I have are Artist Loft Silver and Copper. And I hope I have enough silver because this is the end of the road. I just love this technique with the blow dryer. First couple of times I did it, I made the paint thinner because I thought that's what you had to do to get the blow dryer to move it. But really, my normal mix seems to move fine with the blow dryer. So I'm going to keep working with it. And I know I'm going to just keep trying different things. Fingers crossed. Here we go. This is a blow dryer on a cool. So from my experience, this really kind of electric red, almost like pink, it will definitely darken with the black coloring. So it will become a deeper red when it dries. Hopefully it won't deepen too much with, you know, as I said in my last video, I never know until the end, till it's dry, how it's really gonna look. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a close-up. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. And this is not too hard, guys. There is no water in my mix, only Floetrol. I mixed it to about the consistency that I usually do, which is 8 grams of paint to 80 grams of Floetrol. See this lacing that's happening with the cells and everything? That's probably from Floetrol, not from any kind of silicone that I used or anything. So anyway, I really enjoyed this. Hope you. Okay everyone, so here it is in all its glory. It's dry. The bright red is still nice and bright. It deepened up a little bit where it mixed with black, but it gave it a nice kind of 2 different types of color red in it. But I especially love the lacing. Now I haven't put any varnish or clear coat on it yet, but I know that the lacing will pop out even more once I get a chance to put some varnish on it. But it's just super cool. Loving that, where the gold is really kind of thin and it laces up. And I would love to see this resined, because I have a feeling the metallics will just pop out like mad with resin. But it depends, we'll see. Anyway, I enjoyed this so much, you guys, and I just wanted to thank you all for your support. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy pouring!